Why do we try to sow a seed of division, differences among the sub-tribes of the Khasi tribe? Let me reiterate what Bah Ardent has just said, that there are 7 sub-tribes in the Khasi tribe. They are Ukindriam, Upanar, Ubhoy, Uwar, Ulingam, Umuliang, and Unongtrai. So therefore, we should not try to bring any division. And to bring home to a point, I would like to read out from this book, which is a research work about the Khasis. Here, to make us convinced that yes, we belong to the same tribe. We may stay in Ribhoi, we may stay in Giant Hills, we may stay in any part of the Khasi Giant region, but we belong to the same tribe. And we know that we have clan.